express your body, yourself, and try to hold the outfit stick to your body all the time. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Show your body parts. Alright, those best. Ready? A little go back. A little. Perfect. Very good. Yeah, good. Come closer. Not that much back. Okay, good. Now. Yeah?
No, I don't know.
Okay,
I'm
good.
still, I don't have ideas for this fucking shit.
Like.
Wait. What are you doing?
One more. Good. Feel hand to your face, like dancing, like. Good. A little, you can turn to show the side of body. Yeah. Good. Perfect. Yeah. Try to take your body together and show me the knee out of the dress. And turn it to the inside, yeah. And hand, body. Deep breath. Knee inside, yeah. Good. Face the other side, hand up, like dancing, yeah.
Okay.
Good. Okay, wait.
Almost.
A little more change.
Может, это вот так?
Good.
No.
Wow.
Wait.
Good. You can first show me your back, one leg like this, then like this. And most of the time, try to look down.
Okay.
Let's go. Ready, Jay? Good. Yeah.
Ну, что-то такое, типа.
Yeah. Down like this. Like side.
Okay. What?
Let's go.
Help me, please. I still have a problem. Подожди, как ты показал? Покажи еще раз. One more.
Okay, yeah,
One more.
One
Please.
more. 1, 2, 3.
No!
Okay. One more. Let's go. You're supposed to come down more, not standing. I was meaning like this, like.
No.
No, it was good. Continue, but don't. Yeah, exactly. Good. Nice. Okay. Now sit soft pose like this. Not completely. Like this. Yeah. Now look at me. Look at the camera. Okay. And And try to keep your knee close together because of the dress. Yeah.
Wait.
Hand. Good. Even you can look that side. Wait. First, let me.
It's like a sport.
Yeah, it's like sport. I canceled those two lights, so it's gonna be a little bit change. Let's go. Okay. And try to do it to the camera. Good. Show me your back, your bottom. Yeah. Break your right knee a little, yeah. Button, okay. Not like this. Only like this. And right hand can go reach the knee, left hand on your butt. Good. Good. Yeah. Now sit there.
Sit.
But don't make yourself wide.
Yeah.
Make yourself. Nice. Look at it. Good. Okay. Now stop. Change the pose. But only look at me. Nice. More seductive. Leg. Yeah, good. Face to me. A little go back. A little. Good enough. Okay. Wait. Nice. Yeah. About 10 centimeters you can come to me. Good enough. Nice. Hold it. Good. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, good. Face a little down. Now, good. Hand can be on your butt. Make it more curved. Face up, close your eyes. Hand to your hair. Now you can sit to me like this. A little come to me. Come. Okay? And don't go back too much. Come to me. Yeah, good. You can look at the mirror. And this leg more like Now close your eyes. Look at me. Good. Nice. Nice. A little. No, don't move. I'm going to leave it. Close. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Nice. Look at it. Shoulder a little turn. No, turn. Right hand on your knee. Right leg on your left. Okay. And a little in. Good. Look at one more. Look at your right hand.
So.
Close your eyes and face up. Take a deep breath. Good. Now look at me again. That hand, like. No, I mean, like.
Okay.
Good. Now both knee lay down this way. Now right, don't turn it too much because I need that. Okay, enough. now hands can touch and break. Yeah, good. Okay. Nice. Now on your knee, a little go back. Good, okay. Okay, good enough. What face? Okay, yeah, exactly. That's one more break. Let's go. Left hand can hold the hair and a little bit more touchy, more feeling. Your earrings.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Oh, look at me. Shoulder down.
oh. Shoulder.
I mean, don't bring it up. Down.
Oh, wait.
Look at me. Good. Rest 5 minutes.
Okay.